Our Pony Style 2600 light duty C-clamps are an all-around great value and provide a wide range of openings, reaches, and load limits. Despite their light duty designation, these C-clamps really go the distance. They're used by do-it-yourselfers, carpenters, cabinet makers, wood and metal workers, and professional tradespeople of all types. All adjustments are made with this screw handle. They're available from a 1-inch to an 8-inch opening capacity with a 1 to 4-inch reach and a load limit ranging from 400 pounds to 1,200 pounds.